If you want to assign multiple parameters to the expression pedal on the Valeton GP200 on the board itself, you would have to press the power knob and you get an interface similar to this. So with this particular side with the blue border selected, you can click on it, the power knob again, and then you use the same power knob to scroll down to the EXP settings, and then you press the power knob again. When the expression pedal is in the mode A, it controls the volume by default. Now if you want it to control something else in the mode B, you can use the power knob to scroll through to the next tab, which is the mode B in this particular case, and over here it is just the wah pedal, and it's only controlling the position between 0 and 100. Now if I want to add something else, I will have to click the power knob and use it to scroll to the second parameter, so I can assign 3 parameters to it, to the parameter that I want to add, which is the parameter 2, and I'll use the first knob over here to scroll between all the effect blocks that I have. So if I want to control the let's say mix, I can use this to switch between the parameters that I want. Let's say time, feedback, modulation. Now when I click the power knob after selecting the block and the effect and then the parameter that I want to modify, I can click the power knob again and then choose the range. When the expression pedal is all the way to the heel, where should it be? When it is at the extreme, like when you open it to the max, where should it be? So it can be between 15 and then 27. This is just an example. So this is how you go about it on the board itself, but it's relatively easier on the software. So that's how it's done. So when you are done, you simply go back and then you save your preset with the save button. That's if that is what you want, but this is just for demonstration purposes and to answer this particular question. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.